Teacher, mama, teacher, पानी. मम्मा पानी गिर जाए मम्मा.
मम्मा गिर जाए, पानी गिर जाए. अपनी कहानी. Bye. Go to park, okay? I should go to. I should relax. Come here.
You play with him there. Mama, गिर जाए.
No, he will play.
पानी.
Dadu play, okay? He will do. He's not scary cat like you. Scary cat like you. See, there is a glass.
I'm scared. I'm not a scary cat. Dadu, गिर जाए पानी.
But I'm not a cat like you.
See, everybody sit like this, no?
Yeah.
And see how the scary cat sit, you know, like this.
पानी.
That's why I push her like this. Duck, she is duck.
Like this also.
Don't make me crazy, okay? I'll go. Don't make me crazy, I'll go.
Uncle, what happened? Bagel.
Hey, ಯಾಕೆ? We should have nice breakfast here, no? Table में पूरा लगा के
Floating breakfast.
What?
ಆಯ್ತಾ ಊಟ?
Floating breakfast.
ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಇವ್ರ ರಜಾ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ರಜಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.